Hi, I am Eugene Kelly, Councilor of the Whitfield Town Division in Southwest St. Andrew. And the reason I am supporting Mark Golding is that I believe that he is the man equipped at this moment in time to bring true unity to the People's National Party. I believe he has the humility. I believe he has all the personal attributes necessary for us to bring this great People's National Party to the level of greatness that we know. I have seen Mark Golding in action as his political neighbor just across the road on Maxfield. I have seen him work with the youths in his community, treading into the little lanes and in the valleys of South St. Andrew, working with the youths, the inner city youths, and building peace and unity in his constituency. And I believe what I have seen him do in his constituency, I believe he has the right attitude to bring unity to the entire People's National Party. I am supportive of Mark Golding because as a strong Portia man myself, one of the greatest achievements of the Portia Simpson administration was removing the criminal charges normally associated with being held with a spliff. And I have seen in the inner city where this one action has allowed thousands of youths to finally be able to expunge their records and be able to go out into the work world. That was done by Mark Golding when he was a justice minister. I can also recall during the administration of Portia Simpson Miller, he led a great effort in terms of bringing many legislation to the fore. And it left a terrific impression on me because that one act of expunging the record of persons held for spliff was something that was talked about for many years, but Mark Golding made it happen. Another reason I'm supporting Mark Golding is that he has the credibility amongst the business community. And that is one of the things we do need. We do need the support of the masses, but we also need the support of the private sector. And his many years as Jamaica's leading corporate lawyer will stand us in the right stead. So on November 7th, vote for the better candidate, the one who will bring the PNP back to greatness. Vote for Mark Golding. I beg you.